Hey guys, Daniel here. Just wanted to do a quick little tutorial for you about Tidio, which is a live chat feature you can have right on your website. This is fantastic if you're for anything really, but if you have a store site, customers, your conversions are going to be so much higher if you can get to them right like that, instead of having them email you and wait, blah blah blah. You got to get back to them. So, and this is free, and there's a paid part too. That allows you to use chat bots, which is awesome. And for the price, 18 bucks is amazing. But here you can see right here, get your forever free plan, up to three users for a lifetime. Live chat, email integration, messenger integration, mobile and desktop apps. I find this not to be really true. So it's free anyway. It says up to 3 chat operators that you can do. This is 100 unique visitors. You can only, I found that with the free, you can only create two chat bots. But no worries, we're here for the chat for now. And if you want the chat bots, they just automatically. So if you're sleeping and somebody comes to your website and you obviously can't answer them, you can set it up so that when they ask a certain question, the chat bot will create a response, and with them to have an action, and it will just continue on until it ends. So that's that. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, and I already have an account with them. I'm going to try to create a new one to do the whole thing. I don't know if it'll let me because it's going to be using the same URL, but we'll give it a try. So you want to go to plugins, add new. And you're going to look, search for Tidio. Tidio chat, live chat. Alright, this is it right here. The 5 stars. Install now. Activate. Alright, so now we have this down here. We'll click on that. Saying that, but so I'm going to try to create a new one and see if it works. Email. Alright, and then yeah, go read these. I'm sure you will. It's really important to read them, but you know, we're, as a society, we just don't. We should, but all right. Let's see if this works. Okay. Put your name here. And you do that with your other operators as well. You can change the color. This is just a quick little, you can always change these. And you can upload a photo yourself if you like. Yeah. Well, I guess these aren't going to be it. Anyway, you can do that if you want. We'll go with blue. Continue. United States. That's where I'm at. You pick where you're at and pick what kind of industry. Let's just say online store. Continue. Okay. How would you like to engage visitors when they enter for your site the first time? Send them a discount code in exchange for the email address. Just greet them warmly. Let's do that. Let's just greet them warmly. Install the code on your website. Show me the code. Go JavaScript. Supposed to paste this code before the closing body tag. There's a very easy way to do this. Don't worry about it. I'm not sure if it's even needed, to be honest with you. But I'll show you how to do it. So you would just go and you go add another plugin. insert headers and footers is what it's called. Insert headers and footers. Just install. Activate. Tools. Settings. There we go. Insert headers and footers. And we'll just put it right here. Let's see if that actually made it go on the website already. Okay, not yet. Oh, there we go. Code has been successfully installed successfully. Alright, cool. So this is the dashboard, the Tidio dashboard. Install the Tidio chat widget. I don't know why they have these here, because you're not going to download them from your computer. You're going to do that from your phone. But you can come here and set your offline hours. You can change what they hear on an incoming visitor, new chat request. There's all kinds of different ones. Yeah, whatever floats your boat. Send email notifications to. This is the email I signed up with, so that's where they're going to go. You can turn that off if you want. Do not disturb hours. You can enable that or choose not to. Depends if you have chatbots, you're not going to want to. Let me also tell you, if you do get if you do want to try the plan, I believe they have a free trial anyway. So if you're into chatbots and you're selling a lot online, it's a very good investment. So let me see, just to make sure I don't give you any false information. Yeah, see, try it for free. You can try these two for free. So that's pretty cool. And then, because I hate to see you build it up and then, but just remember, if you try it for free and you build it up and you don't, pay for it afterwards, it's going to be gone. All right, so we can go, say you go to sleep at, or you want to be done by, 10 on Monday, and then Tuesday at 8 a.m. you're going to be good again. Save that, and then you could add another day, another day. Anytime you're going to be out. So that's really easy. Go right in here. I actually already logged in, so. There it is. Okay, so I'm logged in. Logged back in. I got logged out for a second there. So here's where you're going to do everything. Let's actually see it. Why isn't it on the website yet? I can't remember what I need to do. Okay. Welcome new visitors. This is just a demo site. Yeah, see, it's already here. Welcome to our website. Ask us anything. Typically reply within a few minutes. So go to your welcome message. This is actually a chat bot. You can go through all this stuff here and so you can just edit from right in here. You can add a bot, but again, this unless you're going to do that, you don't really need to. So live chat, you can add Messenger here, but you need to, Facebook Messenger, you'll need to put your account in there. Let's go through some of these. Let's just save this. So this is actually, let's see it in action. Let's just send them a message. Hello. See, it has a default as to get the email address. So sign up for the newsletter or not, send. We're currently unavailable, so that's how they have it set right now. Okay. But I can answer him, or I can answer back in real time. And you should be able to see that. See? Now, there is also a way to, they have a desktop app where you don't have, so where you won't have to log into here to chat. You can chat right from your desktop. So that's great. Should be able to do that. These are your users, subscribers. Alright, so we can do some stuff here. We can change the background color to whatever you like. Nice and bright there. Left or right of the page, or phone, if you will. Both desktop and mobile, only desktop. You know, you have these, leave it for both. Display the chat when offline, on or off. Depends on if you have the bots or not. So, let's see. We reply, the best. I wouldn't really put that, but we typically reply within a few minutes. That's pretty good. This is your offline message. So that's what we saw before. Button label, chat with us. Go back over here so you can see. Chat with us with the emoji right there. So you can. There's a thing. Facebook emojis right here. Let's see if I can go over here. Emojipedia.org. You can come over here and we'll just get a love. Control copy. I don't know if this will actually work. I haven't tried this, but yeah, it does. So just go over here again. That's one resource anyway. They have lots of them, lots. So yeah, chat with us, whatever you want to put there. Started. Hi there, welcome to our website, ask us anything. You can change all that to be whatever you want. You can put a background here, but I mean, it's kind of, I don't know, I guess it's okay, but you could upload your own if you want. I don't know, that's up to you. Mobile widget, same deal, you can customize this. This is that please introduce yourself with the email thing. I would say if you're just going to use this for chat, just take that off and save it. Okay, sidebar. And enable it, but if you turn this on and save it, over here, well, it should show up in the sidebar. I'm not sure why it's not. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Perfect. I happen to think I like it better on the bottom. So, and again, you can connect your Facebook account, your email accounts. If you have like a MailChimp or GetResponse or whoever you use. And here's just some more appearance settings. Open the chat page. There you go. So you don't really. This is probably for mobile actually. I don't think you're not even gonna need that. Okay, you can get your see your chats. There's really nothing here. I just did this. So operators, only one right now. Settings, account, blah blah blah. This is just that. You can change your password, address, billing, operators. So just one. You can add up to 3. Name and email. They'll probably get an email confirmation. I'll have to confirm that, and then they'll be able to use this. Integrations. Pardon. Yeah, I was saying MailChimp's good because you can integrate right in with MailChimp. MailChimp's good too because they give you 2,000 if you're just getting started out anyway. Give you 2,000 free an account with 2,000 free emails before they charge you anything. There's some downsides to that, but like you have to send them individually. But and then Google Analytics also is great because it'll show you like exactly where the customer came from, like what page they were on, how they got to there. If they're on a product page or something like that, you can see all that stuff. Notifications, yeah, we went through all that already. Quick responses. Okay, this is a cool feature. They have these. Hello there, what can I help you with? Let me check. Blah blah blah. You can add your own. Yes, absolutely. And the reason I'm showing you this is because I can't type, that's all. I can't though. Alright, cool. So we got that. And let me show you how that works. Now I don't know if you can do it right from here, but let's see. No, you can't. But from in here, if you're, let's see. You're in a chat and you just click the forward key, /, you can see all these right here that you can just bam and then enter, bam, enter. So those are pretty cool. So let me get back to where we were. Your URL, reports, enable, every day, once a month, whatever your preference is, send to here, up to you. Banned visitors, I don't think you can, unless somebody's really mean, you're probably not going to need that. Desktop and mobile, like I said, you can download this for Windows, use chat whenever you're on your computer. You don't need to keep your browser open to stay online. Developer options, yeah, that's your key, public key, private key. Count. So it's pretty simple. It's just basically, you just have to, a couple steps and you got chat on your website immediately. You're selling products, you could have more sales like that. Literally, somebody goes to your site, instead of going to the contact you page, they see that, like, hey, I want to buy this, but X, and then you hop right on, and you're like, oh no, it does come with that. And they're like, oh great, and they buy it. And, so that's perfect. I'm talking about, yeah, that's good. And so I just wanted the developer of the site has a real quick thing about what happens if you have trouble installing it. So I'm just going to let that play real quick so you guys can have that information.
What if we run into a few issues during the installation process? Perhaps the chat widget on the web page isn't displaying properly. Well, there's a few things that we can try. Firstly, try clearing your browser cache and reloading the page. Secondly, double check to see if you have any WordPress caching plugins installed and temporarily disable them. Reinstall the Tidio widget, and once it's done, you can re-add your caching plugin and it will function as normal. And if that still doesn't help with your issue, feel free to start a live chat with me and the guys over at tidiochat.com, or you can send us an email at support@tidio.net. Thanks.
Alright, so now you guys have all the information. I hope this was valuable. Definitely give it a like if I helped you out at all. Go in the description and click the link if you want to. Well, either way, I'll get a small commission. You guys don't pay anything else. And again, you either do the free one, and shoot, if you just need to use that for now, great. And then you start getting some traction. Get the chat bots. They have tutorials and stuff on that. It's not rocket science. It's actually really easy, and they definitely have a free option here. So use the link in the description. And I guess that's it, guys. Good luck. I'll see you guys soon.